See how quickly you can categorize employees with custom tags for easier filtering, reporting, and organization. This demo highlights the intuitive tagging workflow that helps HR and managers keep teams organized and actionable in just a few clicks. Start by selecting the People option from the sidebar to access your complete list of employees and recipients for easy management and updates. Click the More Options menu next to an employee to reveal powerful actions like editing details, assigning roles, or removing users, all in one convenient place. Choose Edit to quickly update this employee's information, ensuring your records are always accurate and up to date. Want to organize your team better? Tap Add Tag to effortlessly label this employee for smarter filtering, grouping, and reporting. Use the Search Tags field to find or add the perfect tag, making it a breeze to categorize employees for any workflow or department. Select the tag to easily associate this employee with this segment, streamlining team management and reporting. Hit Save. Navigate to your People tab to examine existing tags and refine your team's organization with ease.